Positano is a picturesque village located on Italy's stunning Amalfi Coast that offers tourists breathtaking scenery and unforgettable experiences. Known for its colorful cliff-top buildings tumbling down to the sparkling blue waters of the Tyrrhenian Sea, Positano is a dream destination for travelers seeking beauty and tranquility. Positano has become a popular tourist destination, and it's not hard to see why. Visitors can enjoy leisurely strolls along the seafront, visit local stores selling handmade ceramics, or simply relax on one of the sun-drenched beaches. Travelers who have visited Positano often marvel at its beauty and charm. The warm hospitality of the locals adds to the overall impression, making visitors feel at home. In conclusion, Positano is a charming place that offers breathtaking scenery, vibrant tourist opportunities and unforgettable experiences for travelers looking for an authentic Italian coastal experience.